Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add or remove the three W's in your website address in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to the websites page. I have two websites built using Hostinger Website Builder, and this website called benstestsite.com. As you see, it does not use the three W's. So how to add this or how to enable the three W's or turn it off? Simply click on this edit website button to arrive to this website builder page. Then click on more and select general settings and look for use 3W's prefix, and next to it enable this feature. Close this slider or window and don't forget to update your website. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And look for use 3W's prefix, and next to it enable this feature. Close this slider or window and don't forget to update your website to publish this change. As you see, my website is updated. Now let's refresh this websites or this page or the web browser page where my website does not use the three W's to see if the three W's will be added automatically. Refresh, and just like that, the three W's started being forced in my website address or URL. And this is how to add or remove the three W's in your website address in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.